Multiples. A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. The counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Example, list the multiples of 4. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, etc. What are the first 5 multiples of 13? Let's observe the following. Least common multiple, LCM. The least common multiple is the smallest number that is common between two lists of multiples. Example, find the LCM of 12 and 18. The multiples of 12 are, the multiples of 18 are, the first number you see in both lists is 36. The least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36. Least common multiple, LCM. Example, find the LCM of 9 and 10. If you don't see a common multiple, make each list go further. The LCM of 9 and 10 is 90. Using prime factorization to find the LCM. Make factored trees for each number. Write the prime factorization in exponent form. Identify all of the prime numbers among the prime factorizations. Every prime number will be used. When the same prime number occurs in more than one prime factorization, select the prime that there's more of. For example, 2 to the power of 5 beats 2 square. Multiply your prime numbers to get the LCM. Let's observe the following example. We have to use every prime number. The numbers we will use are 2, 3, 11 and 17. We have 2 in both places. Select the bigger one. 2 cube beats regular 2. Using prime factorization to find the LCM. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest number, that is a factor of both of them. The HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. To find the HCF of two numbers, list all the factors of each number, factor tree. Identify the largest factor that is in both lists. For examples, factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. HCF of 18 and 24 is equal to 6. Prime factor decomposition. Now answer these by using prime factor decomposition. Find the HCF and LCM of these pairs of numbers. Let's observe the following. Relationship between HCF and LCM. For any two positive integers a and b, HCF of a, b into LCM of a, b is equal to a into b. Example, if a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6, HCF of 3 and 6 into LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 18. Hence verified by prime factorization. Let's observe the following.